I think the major value for me was that my group was very multicultural, and everybody were from different parts of the world, and I think that was the great exchange of experiences between all the students and between professors, of course, and this was like a mixture of everything, and I'm still in contact with all these people. And WINGS program, they created the community of lighting designers, and I think that's one of the biggest values for me.
I lived now at Barcelona in Singapore, and even there everyone knew it. So yeah, it's an advantage if you want to work in a lighting design office to have this known title and to study it at the WINGS.
The benefits of the course were obviously to me as a light artist that I got an insight into the design process of developing architectural lighting with architects and the electricians that actually do the work in the end of installing what has been thought out in our minds. So actually having our student community that has brought us together at different points of our careers has actually brought the most benefit because of being such an international course, and having the benefit of also visiting others later in their hometown and seeing how they work and what other perceptions of light they have.
At the time when I was studying at WINGS, I was living back in Russia, in Moscow, and actually I think I found it really flexible because the program is remote, and I have to be on campus or whenever the classes are only for a couple of weeks during a semester. I can dedicate myself to my work, full-time work in parallel to studying. So I guess that's the really good the offer for specialists who are already working, and for me it was really good approach to get my second master's.
But most importantly, what I really learned is working in an international team, because we always had group work with international students who came from different backgrounds. So you learn how to speak with different people, different knowledge, different language, different cultures.
Benefits in the difference that we are, because some of our colleagues were electrical lighting design, electrical engineers, and others were purely designers, and having the different perspective of each of their field brought me, and obviously the professors that had such an influence of trying to get us to look beyond our field was the greatest benefit from it.
I studied a lot, I learned a lot, I got to know all people from different countries, from different cultures, with different backgrounds, and I think I have the perfect background now to start my career as a lighting designer.